Hey everyone, Tom here, and today we're going to take a look at how to get your D14 mounted and ready for use. So first thing we're going to need to do is locate our mounting bracket. It should be attached to the unit inside the box with every new D14. Once you've located it, go ahead and remove it and find a spot on any wall or sturdy surface to mount the unit. Now the spot that you choose should be higher than the level of your concentrate tank. That will prevent any sort of siphoning of your concentrate once the unit is up and running. So now that we've selected a nice spot on our wall, we're going to go ahead and mount the unit. We're going to do that by using 1/4-inch bolts or screws in this eyelet marker on the bracket. Now that the bracket is up and secure, we can go ahead and attach our unit. Now quickly, before we attach the unit to the bracket, we're going to want to locate on the lower housing the arrow indicating the flow for the unit. Now this arrow should be facing the same direction as the flow of water through your system. Once the unit is attached to the bracket in the correct direction, we can go ahead and remove the red caps from the injection stem assembly and inlet and outlet of the unit. Now that we've removed the red caps, we can go ahead and attach our inlet and outlet plumbing. Make sure not to pressurize the system until setup is complete. As always, this has been Tom, and thanks for watching.